Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Geometric series analysis is the fastest way to solve this problem. Let us break down these two series step by step to find the correct answer today. First, look at the series Bn. It is a geometric series with a common ratio of 1/3. Since the absolute value of the ratio is less than 1, the series converges. Next, examine n. Notice that for all n, the fraction n minus 1 over n is less than 1. This means an is always smaller than bn, which is our geometric series. By the direct comparison test, because the larger series bund converges and an is bounded by it, an must also converge. Both series converge, so option C is the winner. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the trap of skipping divergence tests and always apply the comparison rule instead.